driveway's a trail. Our driveway's a trail.
It is.
I see your breath.
It's kind of chilly out here.
Yeah. Happy ride?
Not supposed to be like this.
Happy ride day?
Happier Sunday fun day.
Sunday fun day. We got probably what, 6 inches of rain in the last 3 days?
Yeah.
4 days?
We're gonna go down, get some breakfast, and maybe cruise over to the Frog.
Yeah, we're gonna check out the river, see if we can get across.
Yeah.
Sunday, April 6th.
Yes.
So
fun.
we were busy yesterday.
Yep.
We had to go into town.
Oh,
jeez.
Terrible.
Yes.
Terrible.
But we survived.
And it was super raining and flooding.
Oh man,
was,
flash floods everywhere in town.
It was something else.
It was nuts.
We took Jeep, thank God, because we had to do a few water crossings on the highway or on the road. But
yeah. There was water almost over the bridge we had to take to come home. It's crazy.
It was way up on my tires.
But it's receded now.
Yeah,
we're gonna go check it out and see what's going on.
Yeah.
Let's do this.
Let's go see some waterfalls.
Yeah, here we go.
Get some breakfast.
Yeah, you're starving, aren't you?
I am.
Always. Still have a pond? We got a duck pond in our yard right now.
How clear it is though.
Yeah.
Deer crossing, watch out. Wow.
Bunch of them.
I counted 5.
Yeah. It looks cold.
They do look cold. It's kind of chilly out
It
here.
is very cold.
It's BS.
Yeah, it's like 36 degrees out. Yeah.
What the hell, Dale?
I know. I didn't think we'd be running our heater anymore until winter.
No, not at all.
Shoot.
Yeah, I know. It's gonna warm up to 40 today.
Oh, shoot. Heat wave. Yuck.
I don't like it. I
No.
don't like it at all.
Nope. Here's the first little creek spot. Oh yeah, she's going pretty good. It's not all dirty either.
No.
That's awesome.
It's actually cleared up pretty good.
Yeah. It's
What's
gonna be a good
It
waterfront.
ain't been 24 hours.
Yeah, good waterfall. Yeah.
I think the
optimal.
Frog should be cleared up too.
Yes. We're gonna have to go with the Frog.
Yeah. I think so.
Are you feeling froggy?
I'm feeling froggy.
Oh shoot. Here we go. No rock bar hardly today. Oh yeah. Check that out. Gravy. Juicy. Look good.
Chuck some gravy on here.
Oh yeah. That's how you do it right.
It's a secret.
Yep. Well, Juicy, what'd you think of that breakfast?
I am good to go now.
Are ya?
Fabulous. It's really good.
Did it wake you up?
It did.
Get enough coffee?
No, I couldn't. Another cup maybe. But
You ready to go hunt some waterfalls?
let's do this.
Yeah, it's kind of misted now.
Yeah.
It might snow on us.
There is a slight chance of snow today.
That would be crazy.
It's weird.
Like, it should be April Fool's Day.
I know, right?
Anyway, so stay tuned. We are gonna track this ride for y'all on Onyx.
Yep.
So if you're interested in repeating the track to hunt waterfalls after some big rains, go check it out over on the Patreon.
Be pretty cool.
Yeah. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Send it to your grandma.
Send
She'll
it to
like
your
it.
grandma.
Yeah, she'll like it. Grandmas love my videos.
They
So do
do.
grandpas.
And grandpas.
Grandpas do too. So do moms
Maybe
and
the
dads.
grandkids do too.
Yeah, maybe.
Let's go.
All right, let's do this. Here we go. Look, it's getting foggy up there. Holy moly! It was clear when we came down here. Jeez, what are we getting ourselves into?
I don't know.
Look at that. Is that snow? What is that?
Freshen up, lady.
flow there. Yeah. It would be awesome if it was nice.
Yes, it would.
Like warm. Like just like 10 degrees warmer. That's all I ask.
Yes, I agree.
There's the Mill Creek. Pretty high.
Yeah, it's pretty hot.
Oh, it's kind of raging.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's for Nate.
Shoot. I don't think I want to cross that.
Now, that current will get you.
Shoot. Now there should be some waterfalls over on this side. Everything's all nice and cleanly washed off. Woo. There we go. Pretty. The forest is foresting today.
Yes, it is.
Oh yeah. So good. Look at that. That'd be a beautiful picture with the redbuds. Another one just 2 seconds away. That's the mystery ones. Like, where does the water go? But I can see it coming down.
Now, it must be cold.
Yep. That's cool. Pretty. Dogwood. It's a broken one. Ooh, pretty. Oh yeah. There we go. Ooh, that's a good one. Oh, there's a tree blocking it. Shoot. Someone needs to clean that up. Clean up. I don't mind. Wonder how that one's like.
It was so high, it was right over.
Ooh, pretty.
It's supposed to be warmer out here. Oh well. We got a heater.
Yeah, we did. We did kind of have the whole forest for ourselves today.
There ain't no one out here.
No one's out here. I don't know why.
No one's as crazy as us.
Yeah, I don't know why.
I mean, we know we're crazy.
Yeah. Ooh, dirt. Looks like a haunted schoolhouse today.
It is hot. Look at that light up there. See that light?
Yeah. There's electricity in there? Ooh, cool. What we got going on up here? Oh, a dead something? Oh, man.
That beaver?
Oh my god, it is.
It was a beaver,
It
wasn't
was
it?
a beaver.
What's a beaver doing up here?
I don't know. There's a pond, wasn't there?
Yeah.
That's right. Building a dam.
Well, it was.
He was building a dam.
Now he's in the road, Davis.
Sleeping.
Sleeping.
Taking a dirt nap.
Dirt down.
Man, the wind is a little brutal. Maybe you can just see the fog rolling. Ooh, that's crazy. Oh my god, what if we get caught in some weird freaking storm? Oh my god. What are we doing? We should be at home in bed.
We should be.
Yikes.
Probably with the fireplace going.
See what we do for you guys? Wow.
Oh, it's gonna be good.
It's gonna be fine. We got this. We'll be fine. It's starting to look really cool though. Love foggy rides. Dude, the last time we were on this road it was foggy like this.
It was too. Out in the fall.
Yeah, but it was a little bit warmer that day. Wearing winter shoes.
trail?
Yes.
I didn't see it.
Lost their dang boot. That's a bad day. Will it be foggy or not?
I don't think it'll be foggy down here.
Oh man.
I think it's only foggy in the high elevation.
Yeah. Yeah, we're dropping down to the creek, the Frog Bayou. Side waterfall here. Look at all that green grass. Holy cow. It's crazy. It's a lot of grass.
A lot of green grass.
Ooh, I think I'm gonna get wet on this trail.
Yeah, it's gonna be sloppy. To say the least.
Yeah, we're gonna get sloppy. Ooh, there's some good water flow right there. Cool. So far, no trail damage, no trees down, really,
Surprisingly.
yet. Knock on wood.
I don't think we're gonna be going across the frog today.
Oh no, definitely, probably not. Although I have seen you go over it, or through it pretty high.
Yeah, I have too.
I have a feeling it's probably raging. Can't stick my camera out very good, it's too juicy. We have to deal with looking at the windshield wiper. Sorry about that.
Sorry about that.
I can kind of stick it out, but then it gets dirty. Spray and seal that. That gets so dirty. Whew. It's a beauty treatment.
Getting our mud bath today.
Free beauty treatments. Thanks to the Ozark National Forest. Oh, that's a little soft. Whoa. That was crazy. Our back end just. Woo. Oh. That creek's going pretty good. Should we go down there?
Yeah, I want to.
I've been down here in a while because we're always with the big group. Uh-oh. Or not. Big old tree down.
Oh, there is a big tree now.
I think it might be after.
It is.
Oh wow, that's a huge tree. I'm gonna go see how this creek looks anyway. We can't go to our normal spot. There's a big old tree down. Look at that big tree. Darn. Used to be able to go down there. Yeah. Well, I never knew that there's a rock wall. That's cool. That cool moss. Juicy, now don't go too far. I'll lose you. Your camouflage.
I won't go work.
That's a big old tree down. And no one will probably clean it up. There are houses back there, so maybe someone will clean it up. I think they're like hunting cabins or something. Something like that. Ooh, it's not very nice out. Yes! I need to get back in the heat! Yo, that. That's cool. There's not usually this much water right here. Yeah, it's pretty. Look at all the little spring flowers. really freaking going. Holy moly. Wow. Pretty crazy that little stream is making this huge freaking waterfall. We call this the toadstool falls. That's a tongue twister. Cool. I mean, I've seen it going good, but this is really good. Freaking sweet. Always looking for that thumbnail. Trying to have some waterfall over here, down there. Pretty cool. I'll show you the top. Look at it. It's such a little stream. It's really going good. Pretty cool. So glad we braved the weather to check out these waterfalls. Another little cascade. Doesn't look like it's really going through the culvert there. Think there's gonna be anybody down at the frog?
I don't know. I swear I see tracks.
Yeah, they could have already been down and back though.
Yeah, they could have.
It'll be a mystery.
About to find out.
We'll find out. We're getting closer. That's a big old tree. Dang. Dang. Trail's washing away there. Oh, holy smoke. Holy moly. A little waterfall. Yeah. Pretty. Again, I don't think their culvert's working anymore.
Used to work.
Yeah. Getting closer to the big one. The big one.
Big.
The big one.
It's gonna be
Do you
big.
think this waterfall's gonna be going today?
No.
No.
No, I don't think so.
Look at these views. So pretty.
Might actually be going all.
It might be going all the kind of sketch
That did.
back in the day.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
Whoa. Now this spot is sketchy. On this side. There's water. Oy. Nice. Kind of scary over there.
Down there?
Well, we're getting kind of close to the edge there. The trail's kind of disintegrating. Yikes. Flash it. Oh shoot. Wasn't even deep. Wow, it's not fully across though. Pretty freaking deep though.
This is a rock part.
Ooh, cool. Here we go. Frog bayou.
Yep.
Well, hopefully we got video from the frog. Up pretty, going pretty good. Our GoPro keeps crashing. It does not like, it's not happy. Hopefully the camera, look at those mushrooms. That's crazy.
Like jelly looking.
Oh, trippy. Ew. Like alien eggs. Wow, you could see where the debris is from when it was rolling yesterday. Crazy. It'd be so scary if you got caught in a flash flood like that. It's kind of crazy. It's not all the way across. I'm surprised. I bet it was. Cool. I'm glad I came down here. I wasn't gonna. It's kind of, you're kind of in the weeds here. Juicy, jump in!
Jump in! No way! I don't know.
Yeah, that's crazy. Careful, Juicy. Don't fall in. Gotta get that shot. You can see right up here, the water flowed right through the here yesterday. That's crazy. That's all crazy.
Hang on, honey.
Wow. Holy moly. Juicy, what do you think of that waterfall today?
I love going down there. It's so pretty. It's really going today.
This is looking good. Hope we got some good video for you guys.
Hopefully, yeah. I think
my goodness. I'd love to have that cabin. Wow, talk about a tree house. It's epic. Look at this shroom. It's magical. Whoa, do you see? Whoa.
Cute little roadside waterfall.
Yeah,
here.
that's freaking epic. It is going good.
It is going good.
Woo.
Crazy.
What do you think of the Sunday fun day?
Good little run today.
Yeah.
Nothing too crazy, nothing too long either. So
yeah, the waterfalls are going great. I'm glad we got motivated to get out of the warm, cozy cabin.
Home, but you know.
Yeah, it was pretty cozy in the cabin today.
It was.
But it is worth it.
That's no fun. So.
Yep.
Beautiful, beautiful day to go out. A little chilly, but
it actually feels a little warmer now.
Great time.
Yeah. I'm glad we did it.
Yes.
We figured it out. 14 miles from Combs to the actual Frog Bayou Waterfall.
Yep. So about 28 to get back to there.
Yeah, not bad at all.
Not too bad.
Yep.
We're just going to continue down these back roads here.
Yeah, it's a county road.
Work our way on home.
County road. Yep.
So.
What do you say, Juicy?
Always an adventure.
Yeah, man.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching. We appreciate y'all.
Let's go home, warm up.
Yeah, let's do this. We gotta go home. We gotta do chores.
Ah, man.
Gotta go back to work tomorrow. Real work.
Real work. With a real feet.
Yeah, with a real feet. Yes.
Later.
Later. Bye. Woo!
Okay, that was cool. That was the one I was thinking of. I knew one of them was.
Okay, back to defrost. Back to defrost. Wow. Okay.
That was way over our tires.
Yeah, there's like puddles. We've been deeper. It's fine. It's fine. Whoa.
That was pretty deep.
It was pretty deep.
That was the one.
Yeah, that was it. Shoot, that's deep on a low day.
Yeah.
Wow. Woo. That's how you know you're alive when your heart starts racing like that. Woo. Got the blood pumping.
Oh man. That was cool.
Oh yeah. Wow. This one's deep.
Oh yeah.
Are you gonna be low?
Oh yeah.
Oh no! Okay. Whoa, oh, that wasn't as bad as that. That was nothing!
That was still pretty deep.
That other one.
That other one was bad.
Yeah. When you see a tidal wave from the buggy, you know it's deep. Man, we're getting this thing washed off.
Look at that rock wall over there.
Oh yeah. Ooh, that one's doors open. I never noticed that. A lot of their doors are open.
Well, that's how much cookies you get in there and stay warm.
Oh man.
Backwoods Arkansas.
It's something else.
Backwoods of Madison County.
Yeah, Madison County, it's something else. Caved in. There's lions and tigers and bears that live in there. Whoa. Ew, I wonder if the river is over the bridge.
Nope, but it's
Oh
not
man. So that guy couldn't cross last night, I bet. He had to retreat.
Well, you can see the mud down here.
Yeah, it was over the bridge, y'all. Holy moly, look at that big old tree right there. Is this safe?
What do you mean?
I don't know. It looks scary. Wait, are you sure? I don't know. I don't trust Arkansas architecture. Ah! Oh my gosh. Whoa. Someone had to cut that tree.
The operator's up here trying to fix it.
Yeah, he is. Wow.
Yeah.
I wonder if we can get through up here. Whoa, the river was rivering yesterday. Look at all that debris.
Man.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
I feel-
Imagine that one down there.
Must have been pretty high up through here.
Oh shoot, look at that. Whoa. Can we get through here? We got 4x4. Wow. He's just out here removing the river from the road. Dang. Crazy, it's all water up here. Holy moly. Nuts.
Yeah, that's pretty crazy.
Yeah.
Alright, back home down.
Yep, back up the mountain. Look at those golden egg geese. Those are the geese that lay golden eggs.
I want to go down here and see this.
Okay. Ooh, pretty. That's not very high.
Yeah. Should we go up here a little further? Because this road was kind of cool.
Sure. You want? Don't threaten me with a good time, sir.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.